My name is Jspiders Sahu. I am from Odisha, Bhubaneswar, and I joined Jspider in August 2024. After joining here, I attended Java classes and SQL classes, which helps me to get a job very soon. After 6 months of trainings, I attended 4 to 6 interviews. After that, I got placed, and I really thanks to my trainers like Ravi sir, Girish sir to helped me to get a job. And after joining here, I gained so many coding skills and also as well as framework related knowledge, which helped me to get a job. And also I attended that presentation classes, which helped me to get motivated as well as improve my communication, so that I crack the interviews. It's really recommended, and thanks to all the trainers and the HRs to improve me. Thank you.